how to add Stan store link to TikTok. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about how you will be able to add your Stan link to your TikTok, whether it's for your post on or even for your profile. Now, there are different ways for you to be able to add your star or Stan link. You could either put it under your URL or your captioning on your different videos. You can even put it on your comments on your videos that you have if you want. Or you could utilize this platform called Linktree, where you will be able to put all the different links together into just one link, and then you could simply put it inside or on or your bio. In this section, as you can see, you will be able to put in whatever information you could put in your bio, and then that could be a Linktree link, which contains all the different Stan links that you have, allowing your customers or allowing people to be able to see all your different Stan links in one page, which is actually really good instead of just adding them one by one. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.